How to recover account without old phone in Microsoft Authenticator. So if you want to recover your account without the old phone in Microsoft Authenticator, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser, Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. So once you're here, you just need to simply go with the search, and under search you need to search for Microsoft Account Recovery Form. Once you search here, you will have help with the Microsoft Account Recovery Form. Tap on it, and here you just need to simply tap on Account Recovery Form, and it will take you to this kind of page where you will be able to recover your account. So you need to enter your email, phone number, or your Skype name. But if you've turned on your two-factor authentication or two-step verification, you can't recover your account this way. So make sure that you've not turned it on, and you just need to simply go with the email, phone number, or Skype name, and then where we should contact you, we can simply enter a new email address that's different from the one you're trying to recover. And after that, enter the characters that you see. You can go with the audio or you can go with the visual characters, and then tap on next. And once you've done that, then you will be able to recover your account without your old phone in your Microsoft Authenticator. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.